So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Rich Haircut Professional. Finally we back just warm regarding with again taking back its most demandable haircut, which is called simplest techniques up to the bottom layer haircut. Happy to see this and such subjects is consistently with happen back to back with same haircuts getting demanding. Let's get started. We can just directly dive into the haircut completely. So this haircut is pretty much simple sections and just took with the fringe portions got separate, and it's a center of the profile which is called ear to ear got sections will be separated. Back portion will be taken at a time with the overall to the parallelly starting to the layering. So in the three sections and the back portion it will open here. It seems it will be going to be seen a lot of things. Simplest way we just going to be start with the haircuts. So you can just see will be explained by step each and everything, and now I'm just going to take with the help of through comb also explaining you guys. You can just see. Now I started to the one length basic from the back. Let's get ready for and start up to the diving to the very much excited for diving back with exactly for a bottom layer haircut. Is one of my favorite subject forever. So hope you all are understand this haircut video, and this is simplest haircut video. Try to do for towards any kind of customers which is called like a silky and straight hair and healthy hair. Try to do this simplest bottom layer haircut and let me know in the after done the haircut for comments below how was you faced the experience. So now we'll start to the complete to the layering. A center profile I picked and start to with pick up to the center profile in towards the bottoms, and 65 degrees we can just strip it up and just exactly pick to the hair all hair and just adding the layers. So we distribute to the all the sections towards to this side and that side step by step. Consistently will following the previous guideline, going through with same way and merging with layers. Hope you all understand the previous video how was multi-layer haircut which called a 90-degree haircut, and just gaining to the good supports and good views and good comments to that also. I'm really happy to see. And if you want to looking forward some any forward like advanced layer haircut, you would like to get some institution instructions, please let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll give good guidance for that case too. So one side is got finished and another side I'm just going to be start with the one section already it's finished, and step by step I can just picking with parallel sections, thin sections with just picking up and just giving to the layers, and consistently following the with previous guidelines. Through that we just adding the layers, so that can be mixed to something unique look, and it will be thin section also will be make completely neat and clean look with entire haircut will be carry forward proper professional way. So after cut to the haircut we just cross checking. I come to another side to cross checking. Now directly go to side portion. And before starting the layer we just taking as one length basic. After that I pick from stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair merging in the layers. Exactly 65 degrees. Just whenever you can just pick the hair as transverse, you can just take thin sections, then only the haircut will visible very clean and neat look, and pretty much a uniform layers you may can just see and finishing. After that, I'm cross checking side portion. Now I come to another side. After that, I pick from stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair converting in the layers. After that, I'm cross checking. So this is a messy look with after the layering, and now just going to be start with the fringe portions to be cut. Fringe portion also completely done the cut. Just to give some messy blow dry, I'm just going to show her, and before that wet look I'm just showing to the complete of the finishing, because she have some curly hair, and the curly hair how it will be going to carry forward each and everything is just going showing up after messy blow dry. And the ponytail also going to be explained. She was expected below the shoulder layer, she wants it, and that's the thing we're going to be explained. And the ponytails also, after the ponytail how it will come to the curls and all these things also going to be explained. After that, started with the favorite blow dry technique which is called the spiral blow dry, and this is one of my unique techniques I'm just going to use to do with each and every haircut except the feather cut we don't, and rest of the haircuts will be, this is most good finishing given to the something like all the things will get covered up. It will come out curls, in curls, and complete flipping out layers. Each and every strands can be visible, very sharp edges and clean and neat look. Help up through this. One side is got finished, I come to the other side. Then after come to the side portion. After that I come to another side. After that I come to crown portion. Then after that, a final finishing of fringe portion. So this is last finishing. After that, I'm just going to be released complete of the hair. Now you can just see the from the back completely with unique up to the bottom layers, and that is complete after the techniques after using with the bottom layer techniques. And some fringe portions also add something around the between below the shoulders are coming up to the shoulders. So that will be remained of complete up to the haircut. Now you can just going to show it something like in the front forward. Now it's visible completely blushy finishing and neat and unique look. So hope you all understand and enjoy. Like the video, please hit the like button. Please comments on this video how was the haircut, and if you have any doubts or any feedbacks to be dropped, please comments below. Definitely I'll improve for that. So this is the final finishing, and after this we're just going to give it to the texture. I'm just showing you a bit of before blow dry with complete after the finishing after the haircut, and after that I'm just going to start with the texture. So she was pretty much happy with doing a final finishing of layers. Now I start with texturing both the sides. So overall, this is my going to be final finishing. I hope you all understand too and enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please drop me in the comments below. I'll definitely look forward and just update you for that. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button. Minimum 600 likes I'm expecting for this video. And please do share with your friends who wants to learn some particularly haircut techniques and professional ways. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for every time to get updated notification. So there we can just keep in touch and just every time we just keep connecting with each of others. And this should be a final look, will be complete or final finishing. So please let me know in the comments below how was the haircut, and we'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.